test drive the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.